Hello everybody, my name is Kayla, and today I'm playing Angry Birds 2. So, actually it's been a long day since I've seen you for a long time. The rest of them have been from all last year, and today this is the first year I'm playing this. So actually, I'm actually pretty good at this game since I forgot to record this. So I accidentally got all of this for no reason. So I actually just played some levels to get myself up. So I'm all the way from 1 to 2015, so this chest, I have lots of things, and I collect some birds. New Park City. Well, mostly it's a lot of levels. So first I had to beat this Pig King. Both are disabled in tutorial levels 2. Red. So I know the names now. The blue is 3 ones, and the yellow is Chuck Norris. Mostly they call him Chuck. And also these are the King Pigs. And there's more characters that keep saying. Because I found a girl version of Egg. Okay, this is Blue, Chuck, and Red. The main character who can do anything. You see that? Ready? He can blow things and make it fall down. So what am I supposed to use? Use this. And broken down. Ready, Chuck? Yeah! Whee! Okay. And here's little Blue. What if I have no birds? I have no more birds. What am I supposed to do? That I have no birds. So what? I have no birds. How am I supposed to do it? Here's the king. Yeah, I know. There's nothing to choose. Of course that will never happen. Poor bird. Looks like he's dirty. Ew, it's gross. You know what? I don't think so. I can't do this. They look so ugly. I hate pigs. We'll say they're just like these pigs. And I want to make them be like this. Oh, so sad and lonely. But I don't know why this song is to come in. And all they do is just do this every time. And they make a weird looking mess. And they destroy everything. That's what they do every time. I don't think so. Ah! Yep, driver's nightmare. You have to clean it up. Clean up! No! Yeah. One by one. to kill the birds. Who's the number one now, huh? Who's the number one now? The grand bird. You know, it's like, I don't get it. I don't know, it's the arena. What's that going on? Yes?
Did it really give me, like, clothes that with, like, long sleeves?
Not really. Actually nothing.
No.
I can't have anything. Well, mostly it has lots of them. Check this out. New Park City, Enchanted Wood, Chirp Valley, that's where they live. A beautiful world, but actually it's nothing to 89 and 90. Well, I didn't know. Shangam. Greasy. So Greasy Swamp. That's where pigs sleep. No wonder they're so muddy and weird. And also Greenville. Stay home. And it looks so classic-y. Estivere. Meyer. Pigsyland. Snotting Hill. Like snot. Ew, so much snot. This is how long it would be. So coming more levels to come.
Snoutville.
They'll look so gooey.
It's called Snoutville.
Alrighty, then let's go back to red.
The pigs have snouts.
All the way back here. It's been a long time. It's 200. I think it's 300. Mostly I tried. Cause I think. But, you know what? I want to tell you something. What you can do is so much fun. Ready? I wanted to show you something like this.
Wow, this is so cool. What with this?
I would like this. I can't. I need the freezing one.
No, like what shirt should I wear with the sweater?
Ready?
Yeah. No.
I'll see you next time. Stay tuned in part 2.